This video covers how to adjust or replace the brake on the Hatsuyuki 500E machine. The brake provides tension, which gives downward pressure on the block of ice, causing it to shave. If the brake is too loose, the ice won't shave, and if the brake is too tight, the motor will be working too hard. To adjust and replace the brake, you will need the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver and a socket wrench with a number 10 socket. The drive tension adjustment knob adjusts the downward pressure that the machine applies to the block of ice you are shaving. Turning the knob clockwise will increase the downward pressure being applied. Turning the knob counterclockwise will decrease the pressure. According to the manufacturer, the adjustment is correct when light resistance is felt when raising and lowering the crank. If the pressure is too light, this will cause the ice not to shave well or to jump out of the chamber. If the pressure is too heavy, it will cause the drive gear to be worn out or the ice to crack. Now let's cover replacing the brake. Remove the 6 Phillips screws holding the head cover in place. Move the ice block holder lock to the free position and then continue turning counterclockwise to loosen the knob screw. Loosen the tension adjustment knob all the way by turning it counterclockwise until it comes loose. Slide the head cover off. Remove the bolts holding the bracket that the brake shoe and the ice block holder lock are seated in. Remove the entire bracket. Remove and replace the worn brake shoe and brake worm spring. Clean excess grease off the brake drum and reapply a thin layer. Reassemble everything the way you took it apart. Plug in the machine and turn it on to test that it shaves properly. We hope you found this video helpful in learning how to adjust and replace the brake for the Hatsuyuki 500E. For more information about Hatsuyuki ice shavers and other machines, watch more videos on iceshavers.com or on our iceshavers.com YouTube channel.